Welcome to PlayOwnAI. Today we're building AI-powered something absolutely incredible. It's simple, smart and real-time.
I'm your friendly AI assistant here to help with any questions or tasks you have.
How does Pipecat, Local LLM, Local Whisper, and Piper system work?
Sure. Here's a brief explanation of each. At Local LM This refers to running a language model LM like Llama or Mistral locally on your computer using the Pipecat interface. It manages how you interact with the model and processes your requests without needing cloud services. There is an automatic speech recognition ASR system developed by OpenAI. It transcribes spoken words into text using a deep learning model. Piper open source text TTS engine. It converts written text into spoken words, allowing your computer to read out loud using specialized voices. In short, Pipecat Local LM handles text-based AI tasks. Whisper transcribes speech to text, and Piper reads text out loud.
New to Pipecat? Start with our introduction video first. It's linked in the description below. It covers the platform fundamentals in just a few minutes. And you'll get much more out of this tutorial once you're familiar with the basics. Already watched it? Perfect. Let's get started. Duplicate bot.py and create a new file called botLocal.py. First, we remove cloud paid or limited services from botLocal.py to make it fully local and free to use. Quick comparison and cost analysis table. Both as screen. Plan. Remove OpenAI LLM and implement Local LLM. Then open botLocal.py and make the documentation changes. 1. Comment off OpenAI LLM. Add Ollama Local LLM Llama Quen. 2. Run the bot using UV run botLocal.LLM.py. UV installation command. Open terminal and run the command to install UV. UV pip install Pipecat Ollama. Coding changes. 1. Add Ollama Local LLM service. From Pipecat services Ollama LLM, import Ollama LM service. 2. Comment off OpenAI LLM service. Add LLM Ollama LM service model Llama 3, 2-1b. Base _URL localhost 11434, v1. You can change the model to already downloaded model in your Ollama local setup. Ollama models list hash to see the list of available models. Copy and use suitable model based on your system configuration and needs. I copied Quen 3-1.7b model for testing purpose. Passed on LLM service section. 3. Save the file. Run the bot on terminal using command as UV run botLocal.py. UVicorn running on localhost 7860. Press Ctrl+C to quit. Open browser and go to localhost 7860 to access the bot UI. Connect mic and start talking.
Can you hear me?
Not just a hello, but nice to finally connect with someone.
What is the capital of Bangladesh?
Capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka.
Congratulations! You have successfully set up and run Pipecat using local and free AI services. Let's open botLocal.py. First, we remove cloud paid or limited services Cartesia. Text to speech. Add Piper. Text to speech. From botLocal.py to make it fully local and free to use. Open terminal and run installation command. UV pip install Piper TTS. Piper Local TTS service. From Pipecat services Piper TTS import Piper TTS service. Top header file section add import OS and AOTTP. Cartesia TTS service code comment out or remove. Add below code for Piper TTS service. TTS Piper TTS service. Base URL OS get NV Piper base URL 127.0.0 1 to 5002 API TTS. AOTTP session, AOTTP client session. Finally save the file. Open terminal and run the bot using UV run botLocal.py.
Hello.
Hi there.
What is the capital of India?
That's right, it's New Delhi.
Congratulations! You have successfully set up and run Pipecat using local Piper TTS service and free AI services. Let's open botLocal.py. First, we remove cloud paid or limited services Deepgram. Speech to text. Add local whisper STT. Speech to text. From botLocal.py to make it fully local and free to use. Open terminal and run installation command. UV pip install OpenAI whisper torch. Also, UV pip install Pipecat I. Whisper. OpenAI whisper torch. Hash whisper local imports. From Pipecat services whisper STT import whisper STT service model. STT whisper STT service. Model tiny. Device auto. Finally save the file. Open terminal and run the bot using UV run botLocal.py.
Can you hear me?
I can absolutely hear you. My name is Luna, by the way, and I'm an AI designed to chat with you in a friendly and informative way. I'm here to help.
What is the capital of United States of America? USA. What is the capital of USA?
So it's not your typical state or geographical location that might give away your immigrated status. In any case, the correct and straightforward one is the Washington, D.C., which has been since 1790.
Congratulations! You have successfully set up and run Pipecat using local whisper STT. Speech to text.
How does Pipecat, Local LLM, Local Whisper, and Piper system work?
Sure. Here's a brief explanation of each. Pipecat Local LM *. This refers to running a language model LM like Llama or Mistral locally on your computer using the Pipecat interface. It manages how you interact with the model and processes your requests without needing cloud services. The Whisper has an automatic speech recognition ASR system developed by OpenAI. It transcribes spoken words into text using a deep learning model. The per system and source text TTS engine. It converts written text into spoken words, allowing your computer to read out loud using specialized voices. In short, Pipecat Local LM handles text-based AI tasks. Whisper transcribes speech to text, and Piper reads text out loud.
Is it free or any API cost fee?
Great question. When you use Pipecat with local language models LM, Whisper, or Piper, everything runs on your own computer. This means you don't need to pay for any API usage or cloud service fees. It's completely free to use, aside from any hardware or electricity costs. So yes, as long as you run them locally, there are no extra API charges.
Great. Is it faster than cloud service?
If you're asking whether running these tools locally is better than using a cloud service, it really depends on your... Absolutely. Here's a quick comparison to help you out. Model, assuming you mean a local or decentralized platform like Pipecat, similar tools. Pros, setup. Many local tools are becoming easier to install, with user-friendly interfaces, though some technical steps may still be required. Running locally can be faster since everything is processed on your own device, without waiting for cloud service to respond. Revisi. Your data stays on your device. Nothing gets sent out, making it much more private. 2. No ongoing fees. You aren't paying for API calls or cloud subscriptions. Cons. The hardware needs. You need a computer with enough power RAM, CPU, sometimes GPU to run these models efficiently. Setup required.
Got it.
Local service is privacy is good or cloud service is privacy?
Great question. In most cases, local services are better for data privacy than cloud services. Here's why. Local service like running Pipecat, Whisper, or Piper on your computer. Still, your data stays on your own device. Don't need nothing is sent over the internet to third parties. Do you have full control over your information? Cloud service. Your data is sent to a remote server for processing. Ever is a chance that your information could be logged, analyzed, or accessed by others. Can you rely on the company's privacy policies, security practices? Summary. If strong data privacy is important to you, running services locally on your own device is almost always better than using cloud-based alternatives.
Which is better for controlling my data and information backup related to any tasks better?
If controlling your data and information is your top priority, using local storage keeping your data on your own computer or hard drives is generally better. This way, you control exactly where your files are stored and who has access to them. No one else has automatic access unless you choose to share it. However, backup and disaster responses can have some advantages because they often back up your data automatically. So they keep copies off-site, so your data is safe even if your device fails, or there's a disaster fire, theft, etc. So you can access your backups from anywhere. For something sensitive like tax documents, backups give you more privacy and control. But you must remember to make backups and keep them safe, like on an external hard drive kept in a secure place. Cloud backups with proper encryption and a reputable provider are convenient for extra security against hardware failure and for remote access. But they do involve trusting a third party with your sensitive data. Best practice. Use a mix of both strong local backup for privacy and an encrypted, secure cloud backup for safety. That way, you get the best of both worlds, maximum control and minimum risk of data loss.
Thanks.
You're very welcome. If you have any more questions or need further information, feel free to ask any time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Support line. Get assist. Stuck anywhere or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. Just follow the link in the description. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel at PlayOwnAi. Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply and I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found even a bit of value, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next AI automation guide. Your feedback helps me create the most useful content possible. So, what's on your mind? Tell me what you're struggling with in comments. I might just build a full tutorial on it for you. We release new videos every week. Let's build smarter together with PlayOwnAI Playground. Our mission is simple and ambitious to help millions of people adapt to the AI revolution with clarity and confidence.